Guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're on the north coast. We're driving through Miami Bay. On the left is Miami Bay Estate, and then beside it is the Rio Hotel. Now we're on the northern coastal highway heading from Miami Bay towards Ocho Rios. Now Miami Bay Estate has some very nice homes in it. I mean, if I was to guess, I'd say $1 million villas. When you go over there, you'll be shocked, surprised at the massive sizes of those villas, and really nice. Majority of them are rented out for like Airbnbs, tourists, those kind of things. All of Miami Bay is like well, you have the hotels, you have the villas. It's a straight up tourist place. You have the beach on the other side. Very, very nice. But as we said, it's villas, townhouses for rent. Over here is Old Fort Bay. It's right on the outskirts of Ocho Rios, so it's a tourist destination thing. Okay, and if we were to go straight, okay, let's go around. If we turn left here, that takes us into Ocho Rios. If we turn left here, that takes us onto the highway, the Edward Siaga Highway, or the North-South Highway, and that takes us back to Kingston. If we turn left here, that takes us back into Miami Bay. That's just where we were coming from. So we're going to continue our journey this way and head into Ocho Rios. We're still in the Miami Bay area, but we're heading towards Ocho Rios. Okay, on the left now is some more villas. And Miami Bay is right next to Ocho Rios. And it's literally next door to Dunn's River Falls, Dolphin Cove, Mystic Mountain, all the top tourist destinations in Jamaica. And it's right next, well, the highway literally ends in Miami Bay. So you don't have any problem getting there. They have very nice villas. Some of them are actually on the beach. Very nice experience. So it's a very popular tourist destination. And then further down this road, we have all the tourist attractions, and then we have Ocho Rios, which is a full-fledged tourist town. Everything you need to enjoy your vacation in Jamaica, you can find in Ocho Rios, from shopping to restaurants to nightlife, you name it. But most of them, and a lot of hotels. I think every major hotel in Jamaica has a hotel in Ocho Rios. Some even have 2 or 3. That's how popular Ocho Rios is as a tourist town. There is even an airport, the Ian Fleming International Airport. That's a little out of Ocho Rios. That's in Boscobel. It's not as popular as the other 2 airports, but every day more and more flights come in, and it's getting there. Okay, so this is Pearly Beach. This is the famous Pearly Beach. Okay, now I know where it is. Now, the reason why I said this is the famous Pearly Beach is because they had a party here about 2 weeks ago, and it created a traffic nightmare. Okay, let's take a look. Now, the persons that attended this party decided, guess what? Okay, there's not much parking in the venue. Now I understand. They decided to just park on the road, because inside there's not much parking. They decided to just park on the road, and I don't know what happened, but the road became blocked, and it created a nightmare. It took you 6 hours to get from St. Anne's Bay to Ocho Rios, or between 6 and 8 hours. Just on the strip of road that we're driving now, let's say from Miami Bay to Ocho Rios, it took between 6 and 8 hours. And it was an embarrassment. When you look at the drone footage of the cars being stuck on the road, all because they had a party here and persons blocked the road, parked on the road, and the road became blocked. So now we know. Now if you notice, it's empty, it's locked, it's closed. They are not allowed to have any more events there until this thing has been addressed. And it was an embarrassment for the parish of St. Anne. And what is even a bigger embarrassment is why did it take so long for them to clear the road? So right where you see this area here, fully blocked. People park on the left, people park on the right, and then you have people motorists making turning this 2-lane road into a 4-lane road trying to get through. It was a nightmare right here. Thank God we weren't on the road that day, but it was a nightmare. So that's Pearly Beach. Okay, nice to see it. Now I know where it is. I've been hearing so much about it. Alright, so we're driving into Ocho Rios now. Here you can see the sign, welcome to Ocho Rios. You are entering Ocho Rios. Okay, on the right now where you see that green wall, that's Duns River Falls. And falls you can walk underneath the road and go down to the beach. And Duns River Falls is set up very nice, I must say. Very nice. It's the #1 tourist attraction in Jamaica, and it has been for probably the last 20 years. It's very nicely set up. I've been there recently and was most impressed. Okay, now beside Duns River Falls you're going to find Mystic Mountain, which is another top tourist destination in Jamaica. I mean, another place where tourists visit a lot. And that's where you can swing through the mountains, and very nice experience. And that is, I think, the third most popular the place that tourists visit in Jamaica. Now on the left is Dolphin Cove. And that's, okay, here on the right is the entrance to Duns River Falls. And then on the left, I'm not sure where the entrance is, but somewhere along here on the left is the entrance to Dolphin Cove. And that's the #2 most visited okay, where you see these cars parked, you can see the sign Dolphin Cove. It's the second most visited attraction in Jamaica. Very nicely set up. You can literally swim with the dolphins. So now you know why Miami Bay is so popular with villas and those kind of things. And with Airbnb operating now, they're doing it well. They were before COVID, very well. Not sure if things have picked back up yet, but it will. It's just a matter of time. Okay, and somewhere on the right, I don't know if we passed it without noticing, but it's Mystic Mountain. No, it's coming up at the stoplight. And this is the #3 most visited tourist destination in Jamaica. There you can see Mystic Mountain. You turn right here and go. And there's a tour bus over there. So now we're going into the town of Ocho Rios. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.